Do you aspire to have longer eyelashes? Are you concerned that your eyelashes are not developing sufficiently? It's not just you. Many people desire bigger eyelashes in order to enhance the beauty of their eyes. Age, certain medical issues, a lack of nutrition, an eye infection, or bodily hormonal changes are just a few of the causes of thin eyelashes. Other causes include careless physical handling of your eyes and failing to remove your eye makeup at the end of the day, which can cause your lashes' fine hairs to fall out. Taking good care of your eyelashes is the first step to achieving healthier eyelashes. There are also straightforward methods for promoting eyelash growth. Keep in mind that different persons will respond to treatments differently. The recovery process could take a few weeks or perhaps a few months. Before you find the treatment that is best for you, you might need to try more than one. Here are a few ideas. 1. Coconut milk. Proteins and lipids found in coconut milk help to grow eyelashes thicker and longer. Additionally, it makes your eyelashes shine beautifully. Consider the following. Apply coconut milk to a cotton swab before using it on your eyelashes. 10 minutes later, wash it off after letting it sit. Do this once or twice every day, for a few months, or until you achieve the desired look. Be very gentle when attempting any of these treatments. When applying or removing cosmetics, avoid yanking off eyelashes. To ensure that your eyelashes grow nicely, make sure you are getting the proper vitamins and nutrients. You can take a multivitamin supplement, but before you do, talk to your doctor to find out what kind and how much to take. 2. Olive oil. Your eyelashes can benefit from olive oil and become thicker. Additionally, it can keep the eyelashes dark. How? Keep watching. Consider the following. Warm olive oil should be applied on a cotton swab or clean, old mascara stick. Apply the oil to your lashes before bed just like you would mascara. After letting the oil sit for the night, wash it off with warm water in the morning. Perform this each day for a few months or until you are satisfied with the appearance of your eyelashes. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera, which is rich in vitamins and nutrients, is a fantastic technique to help your eyelashes thicken. Additionally, it will keep your eyelashes moisturized. Consider the following. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your eyelashes with a clean mascara stick before going to bed. After applying the gel all night, wash it off in the morning with warm water. Consider the next method. 1 teaspoon of chamomile infusion should be combined with 1 tablespoon each of aloe vera gel and jojoba oil. 2 times per day, apply this mixture to your eyelashes using an old, clean mascara stick. Then, rinse it off with warm water after 20 minutes. For either remedy to be effective, practice it daily for a few months. 4. Castor oil. Castor oil can both promote eyelash growth and combat the microorganisms that prevent healthy growth. Consider the following. Before retiring to bed, apply castor oil on your eyelashes with a fresh brush or cotton swab. Before applying castor oil, you might mix it with vitamin E oil. Overnight, leave the oil on. The next morning, rinse it off. Additionally, you can combine 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Utilizing a cotton swab, apply it on your eyelashes. After letting it sit all night, rinse it off in the morning. Every day, for 2 to 3 months, try one of these treatments. 5. Egg. Eggs are great for growing thicker eyelashes since they are high in protein. Additionally, they include vitamins that improve the sensation of your eyelashes. A rich, creamy substance will result from beating 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Utilizing a cotton swab, apply it on your eyelashes. After 15 minutes, remove it by washing it off with cold water. For a few months, repeat this 3 times every week. 6. Tea leaves. Many of the flavonoids, included in green tea, aid in the thickening and lengthening of your eyelashes. Make a cup of green tea without sugar and allow it to cool. Apply the cool green tea on your eyelashes, from the roots to the tips, using a cotton swab. Then, rinse it off with cool water after 15 minutes of letting it sit. For 2 to 3 months, repeat this procedure twice daily. Be careful not to let the green tea go in your eyes. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.